Well, it's snowing again. It's really picked up this time. So, enjoying a little bit of fresh air out here in central Saskatchewan, Saskatoon. This is probably the last snowstorm we're going to be having because it's already March. It's a lot of snow. Woo! It is. Woo! Last winter storm. Oh, look at that. But I love it. Is it cold yet? This is a Canadian winter storm. Too bad. We have to build ourselves a shelter from the bitter cold. A little tunnel, because it is blowing hard and I'm out of breath. Landon made his. He's saved too, because we gotta survive. We made it through. Landon, where are you?
I got you.
We're gonna do it. We are in survival mode. We're not gonna make it. There's Landon over there, he's still digging. Are you surviving?